I'm Heidi Milby.
And I'm Mark Milby.
And we've lived here almost exactly a year.
This is a 100-year-old bungalow. About, we think, 50, 60 years ago, the owners built one bedroom and a bathroom in the attic, but the rest of the attic was totally unfinished. When we bought it, we saw the potential to add additional bedrooms.
We wanted to do something that was energy efficient. We looked at a couple of different options, and at the end of the day, what we chose was the most energy efficient and actually was the cheapest option for us too, so it's kind of a win-win. So now we have 3 bedrooms upstairs with 1 bathroom, and we added a couple of closets, and so it's a really functional space for our family to kind of all be upstairs.
We did spray foam insulation on the attic ceiling. The status quo would have been to pipe radiators up to those rooms and then have to add a separate air conditioning system. So that was a case where that was actually more expensive than just going with a cold climate heat pump to do it all. It's so quiet that we're able to put it on the side of our house.
The gel add is really great that you don't get that typical air conditioning noise if you have someone who has a central AC or even a window unit next to your house.
And then the other advantage of the ductless system is just having control for each room is really cool. You know, a room needs a slightly different temperature, you just change it using a remote.
But then we also did upgrade to a 200 amp panel, which allowed us to then add the heat pump because we needed, more power to do it.
I think this project shows that it's not too hard to just over time on that journey to make improvements that'll just make it so your energy bills are not that much, your carbon footprint gets down, and eventually you have a home that is very comfortable but is, going all electric and using less energy.